Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is April the 20th on a Thursday here, and we're seeing a gap down in the market this morning. And the Qs are gapping down right at pretty much their 20 period moving average. This red line here, they've been holding that. We'll see if that holds this morning. Same thing can be said with the SPY, except we're talking about the 10 period moving average. You can see it's been holding it very nicely there over the last several weeks. So let's see. This could be kind of a make or break day for the SPYs. But let's take a look at some possible opportunity out there. LVS is gapping up on good earnings. They had earnings yesterday after the market, gapping up to several month high here. If you're thinking about playing these, not a huge gap up, only about a little less than 5%, but I would like to see a pullback and maybe hold the 61 area there in LVS. But nonetheless, one to keep an eye on because it is gapping above a several month high. Another one, kind of in the same arena, MLCO, big level up here if it gets through the 1425 level. It's kind of a sympathy play off LVS's earnings, so be careful there. EDU had a nice day yesterday off of earnings. Big move, and it's also gapping up. I'm going to have you watch TAL today. Now, I know this is a very ugly looking trend over the last several months, but if I drew a trend line right here, I think you could see what we're looking at. It is gapping right about above this 50 period moving average. That would put it back above all its moving averages. So if it can take out this, let's call it the $7 range, this could be off to the races in sympathy with EDU. One other one, keep an eye on. Amazon has been holding up really well lately. Keep an eye on that one. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day.